If you are interested in knowing how to remove your background of your video on CapCut for free without using the pro version or paying for the pro version, then stick to the end of this video and watch out for every detail in this video because it's very important.
Please subscribe and like for more.
I will explain everything on my screen. So let's go without wasting time. Let me show you how you can remove the background of your video and add other background on CapCut without purchasing the pro version of CapCut or paying any money. You will do all these things for free. It's just a little trick and a little secret you really need to know. Stick to the end of this video.
CapCut. Now our CapCut is open. We go to new projects. Okay, go to new projects, and in this new project we select the background you are going to use first, which is this one. Okay, add. All right, now after that, the next thing you have to do is go to overlay, add overlay. Then in that overlay, select the video you want to use. Okay, here I'm going to find a video. Okay, I need a video which, okay, let's use this one here. Now, okay, I have to just take only like 20 seconds of this video. Oh, jeez. Okay. Alright, now the background. Let me take the background to the, okay, yeah, this one. Okay, so after this, next thing you have to do is go over here. You will see remove BG. Click on remove BG. Then you will see auto removal, which have the pro icon on it. Okay, it means that this is a pro feature of CapCut. So once I click on it this way, okay, you see it's removing the background already, and up there you can see the pro version. So if I click on export, you will see something like this. Okay, you see you are using pro feature. Join CapCut Pro to unlock all the feature. Upgrade to pro for extra perks. Okay, but don't worry, don't panic, because we are not going to upgrade anything. This video is all about how you can do this without upgrading your CapCut to pro without paying for the pro. Okay, so this is it. Now our video is set, so we can now do it this way. Okay, now
Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make money with your phone using Canva.
So
before we proceed, please like.
Go back. What you have to do, this is where the work comes in. This is what you would do. Once you're done, you go to your phone screen record. If your phone don't have it, you can download apps that do screen record. Now you screen record this video. Okay, you screen record it.
Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make money with your phone using Canva. Before we proceed, please like, subscribe, and comment on this video, and don't forget to always come back to check for more video on how to make money.
So the reason why you have to screen record this video is because you cannot export it. Okay, as you can see over here, it's saying you are using a pro feature, so for that reason you cannot export the video. So once you're done screen recording your video, what you will do is you delete this overlay. You delete it. Okay, now it's gone. You add overlay again. Okay, now you bring in that video that you screen recorded. Okay, so now let's see. Okay, So I have to get to where I actually screen record that video. Okay, so to get there, okay, okay, I think it's from here. It's from here. So let me split this and delete this. Okay, so this is the screen recorded part of the video. Okay, now all you have to do is bring it back here. Okay, now go to transform, then click resize, then let's resize this. Okay, resize this. Okay, now our video is ready. Okay, our video is ready. Okay,
Welcome to my channel.
this is
Today I'm going to teach you how to make money with.
So the next thing you have to do after this, because the voice will not be there, so for you to bring in the voice, you will go to the video, you go to, sorry, you come over here, you go to audio, then you go to extract, then you go to the video, okay, and click extract. Okay, and you just extracted the audio. Now
Welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my
if we start playing this,
Hello, my channel. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about side hustles you can start in 2024 without investing a single naira. So if you are from
okay, so for we not to have double voice there, you have to make sure that the overlay is muted. Okay, the overlay should be muted.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about side hustles you can start in 2024 without investing a single naira. So if you are from Nigeria,
I know that is not actually syncing because this is a practical video, but everything that I'm showing you here, if you follow it correctly, you will get everything correct. So if you extract the audio from the original video, you make sure that you place it in a way that it will sync with the video. Okay, so the lips moving and the audio will sync. Okay, so once you have done that, now you can save your video after removing the background. Okay, you can now save it without upgrading to CapCut Pro. Okay, so this is the simple way you can remove the background of your video with CapCut without upgrading to the CapCut Pro. You will just do it for free. Just apply this simple tactics and idea and you will get your video looking so beautiful and fine. Okay, so I'm glad you stick to the end of this video. Thank you and God bless.